Dreo Humidifier, the regular one, the analog, 4-liter review. Been using it about 5-6 weeks. It's a workhorse, obviously top fill. The thing I absolutely love is everything comes out so you can clean it all the way down to this bottom piece here. You can go all the way down in there and clean to your heart's content and get rid of whatever stuff accumulates in there. Another really important thing is when you clean it, take this all out, clean it all up, make sure that goes all the way down. You're going to have 4 liters of water on the floor. It's nice that you can put your thumb over this, spray it, clean it, whatever. Rinse it out. Don't get anything down there. So you put it back together. And then you have this diffuser that goes on top. And this also comes all apart, so you can clean down in there with a little brush. You can move it like straight up or a little bit. So when you fill it up, I just grab it with 2 fingers and take it to the sink, put it in the sink, and fill it up. I try to keep it around 40 to 50% humidity, and I have a 1-bedroom apartment, and I have 2 of these units. One's a digital. I'll do a review on that separately. Oddly, the analog one puts out more moisture. It's very strange. So it appears to be exactly the same unit, which is bizarre, but they are workhorses. I love them. I will fill both of them. In the wintertime, it's going to be probably almost twice a day you're going to fill these. But the really, really nice thing is you can grab it with 2 thumbs and carry it to the plate, to where the humidifier is located, or you can just fill it, with a pitcher, whatever floats your boat. Just be super, 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 super careful when you clean it that everything is back together the way it was, and you make sure it's seated really nice, or you're going to have a big puddle all over your whatevers. Learned that the hard way.
Okay, so let's go ahead and build the Dreo humidifier. This specific Dreo is the HM311. So I also got, this is optional, you do not have to get the cartridge. This just prevents heart water and white dust. My kids do suffer from asthma and dry air, so I just thought maybe this would be helpful. So you're gonna go ahead and remove this little white thing right here. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it. That's it. You can save this part if you want. And go ahead and put it right in there. Twist it a little bit. Make sure it's in there. Looks good. And we're gonna go ahead and place it on. And I bought distilled water. It looks me a little bit, just a little tiny bit, and this is a 1 gallon. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Plug it in. As you see, turns. And it's already throwing out smoke. I don't know if you can see it up here. The lights. Very beautiful, and it comes with cleaning supplies. So, yeah, we're gonna go try it out and see.
So already opening the box, you can already see it's pretty biodegradable. You open it up and it's ready to break down immediately, which is nice. Here's the cleaning guide. And we've got instructions, our filter here. Taking it out of the box. And here it is, the Dreo. I ordered color blue just because that would be here the fastest. I would have preferred the white with the blue ambiance, but this is still very nice. So, please excuse my dirty carpet. That's my front door, and I still gotta get that vacuumed off. It's snowing here. So, there's that. Nice, shiny, new. Here's the what was described in the description as the mist adjuster, top fill, so far as described.
Okay, so I don't usually do this because I'm not an influencer, but humidifiers have been the bane of our existence. I've gone through so many, it's ridiculous, and I want to save you the time. This is my absolute favorite because it has a nighttime feature, so those really, really bright lights will just go away while it's still running, and every single part of this comes apart for cleaning because humidifiers always get super moldy. So all these parts just snap off. That middle part snaps off. The little floater at the bottom that I'm not going to show you right now snaps off. And then last but not least, if you're an essential oils person, which we generally aren't, but there's just some really cool ones out there for when your kids are sick. There's like this little thing at the bottom. See if I can find it. Oh yeah, of course it's stuck shut still. But you can put essential oils on this little tab. Right there. And then you can just put mint or whatever in there and your kids can clear out their sinuses. So save yourself the time. Super cheap, easy to clean. You're welcome.
Well, this is the first of this type of Dreo. The other two didn't have very good luck. So far, this one's doing pretty good. It's got the little night light. Turn it on the low, on off. And this right here is the low. And that's the medium. And that is high. So, super excited about this one. Seems like it's doing pretty good. If something changes between now and say a week, I will flip an update. Other than that, cool beans.
Okay, here is the humidifier. Here's the top. Took off the top. Notice that, I don't know if you can see that, but that scratch there. And this scratch on this side. I tried to see if it was being caused by something, but the top has no kind of slats or anything like that, so I assume that it is not supposed to be there. But 1 and 2. Otherwise, just as pictured.
I tell you, it's been a struggle to keep it over 17% this winter. And this thing has only been on for like 2 hours. And it's got it up like 13-14%. I like it. It's quiet too.
Mm-hmm.